I just need 15,000, and if you can watch my ads and subscribe and share, I'll get to 15,000 rands. Loved. I am loved. I'm patient. Are you gonna say whose child is it because it came from me?
Whose child? No.
This is my child. It came from me, but it's our child
we didn't collectively adopt this child.
You know what?
This child came in a Woolworths bag. And it arrived.
Hey Slays, I hope you guys are fabulous. My name is Tumi and this is Young, Broke and Fabulous. If it's your first time here, you are not a slayer. To become a slayer, all you need to do is click subscribe, hit the notification bell and the all options so you don't miss a notification every time I post a new video. And if you are a returning slayer, a regular slayer, thank you so much, babe. I appreciate you. So today, guys, I'm doing something exciting. Like, I am obsessed. Like, if guys, I actually have a problem. If you watch the Ngwenya's house, which is my couple channel, which is in the description box, you also have it at the end of the video. If you get to the end, you can go subscribe. We do a lot of vlogs, and every time I collect parcels, I open them. I don't even wait to get home. But as you saw from my previous video, I've been feeling meh. So on my birthday, I didn't open everything. I did open some stuff, like it's been unboxed. I've removed some plastics, but I didn't unbox everything, and I'm going to be showing you my birthday things. And to be extra, because it's still my birthday month, I'm going to put a crown on, even though right now I have I have pajamas on. The reason why I have pajamas on, I didn't know what to put, because I know I'm gonna be trying on clothes as well and stuff. So I was just like, you know what, I'll just wear pajamas even though I've done my makeup and I've showered and everything. And then once I'm done with unboxing and I'm trying on, obviously I'm gonna change. Let's go into the video. So guys, first I'm gonna show you, I've been crying and my cries were heard. Ooh, I'm so cute. I have a mirror now. Like, I have a standing mirror for my hauls so that I can see my outfit and everything. So before, I used to see my outfits through the monitor, and we had this other mirror that I broke because I break a lot of things. So now that we have a standing mirror, it's wonderful. Like, I have a standing mirror. My sister got me a standing mirror. So yeah, this is first on my thing. It has a lot of dust because I just removed the plastic and then I haven't used it or anything, so it currently has a lot of dust. But girl, I'm gonna be seeing myself in the mirror. I'm gonna be able to see my full outfits. And yeah, and I got a table, like I'm gonna show you like my full living room with the table and everything. It's so, like, when I got it I was just like, it's a table, but now it's like kind of meshed in with everything and it looks nice because it's just a clear a glass table, and it's really cute. And I have like a coffee table, book, and those decorations that I used to have here, I just put them in the middle of the table. Very simple. That gift was from my mom and dad. Then I got a I got a plant from the Mlangenis. Actually, I have this, I don't know what is it called, Ficus Bambino. I don't know this. Like, I have this plant, now it has a sister. I have this plant. This is the plant this is the baby we were talking about at the start of the video, because today is the day we water the plants, and I was asking Sandy to water this plant and didn't forget about it. So this is my new plant. I don't know if I'm gonna repot it and make it bigger because my desk doesn't have a plant. So if I keep it in here, you know what, I'll ask. This was gifted to me by the Mlangenis, and they also bought me a box of salted caramel Lindt chocolate. It was so nice. We finished it because my birthday was last week, guys. We finished it. Then what else? Oh, Another thing for the slayers is this. My husband is really like, yo, last week you're really feeling some type of way. It's so unlike you not to open gifts. Like, I was planning to actually open all my gifts on my birthday and everything, but I dressed up and everything while I was waiting for Sandiso to finish the setup for me, because he did like a whole nice setup and 3-course meal and stuff. While I was waiting for that, I could have recorded my unboxing, but I didn't record it because I don't know, I was just not myself. Anyway, so yeah, we have a new rag. Now I want to buy, it's a black rag, you'll see, but I want to buy hangers that are brown. Please let me know if I should keep these hangers. So these are like your velvet hangers, or I should get brown ones. How would, like, I feel like the brown ones would work with the black, and they will work with the theme of our working room. So yeah, here is my yo. Did I almost just break? I almost just broke my mirror, you guys. Yo, wait. I was gonna be so devastated. Like, I was gonna be so sad. So sad. There's a lot going on here. But yeah, my husband gifted me with this. It's only right that he puts it together. I am gonna do this. I'm Miss Independent. Oh, they give you an Allen key. I'm very good at understanding instructions. Please give me a star. A star screw. What are they called? That thing. I've done, guys. My stand is so nice. It's so nice. I did it. So the rack will see just now once I'm trying on the clothes. And then I got this perfume. It's called Mayberry by Saint Laurent. I don't know what the first word is. And this, I got it in a 50ml. Remember, I was saying when I got this gift set, like my husband bought me the gift set, that was my favorite perfume, but the gift set came with 25ml ones, and it finished. Then I got this one. Let me actually put it on. Oh guys, this smells amazing. I'm sure you saw me on my birthday. I have a lot of things to insert in this video, but yeah, it smells, looks, everything is amazing. It has like YSL. It's YSL. Like, I've used it before. I was obsessed with it. I was very sad when it finished, and my man provided. My man. Ooh. And then like, I wanted to show everyone these shoes up front. I bought these for myself, and I opened them. Actually, I opened them yesterday because they were for my birthday, but I opened them yesterday because it's the first time I wore them. This is how they look. I really love these shoes, ne Mara, and they're comfortable because you can see the heel balances, but your straps dig in, guys. Like, straps, they dig into your skin. It's very painful, but they're cute or whatever. They're very cute. And then I got a lot of, I just said, like, I had a list of birthday things. Then I just said, you know what, I want like gold jewelry, and my cousin got me like a whole lot of gold jewelry, and I'm currently like obsessed with this necklace piece. It has a heart and a cross. I think you've seen it in you saw it in my previous video. It's very cute. And earrings. Then my bestie, I put this in okay, I've been dropping things on this. I put this haul into a paper bag because it was a gift. even though I knew what was inside, it was a gift, and I put them. So my bestie cleared my Shein cart. She cleared my Shein cart, and then she cleared my Shein cart. I'll show you the cart right here, cause I'm loved. I am loved. I'm patient. Anyway, like the people around me, like I appreciate them so much. They are amazing. My circle is amazing. Okay, cool. And then I bought myself this dress. Also, you'll see, I'll try it on again for people that don't follow me on Instagram. Obviously, like some people are just active on YouTube, so I'll try the whole outfit again for you so you can see, and I'll put the full one on the screen so that you can see. And yeah, so I'm going to now try on my Shein stuff. I've used some things, but literally the clothes I haven't tried them on, except like these other pants that I tried to wear on my birthday. But I'm going to try that on for you once I've finished. So now guys, I'm going to show you some of the items that I bought. Like you'll see on the side, this looks very random, right? But you'll see on the side what it is. It's those tops that you tie around your boobs. And then the other thing that I found very weird is that it's like a blankety type of material. Then I got this. I actually saw it for my best friend as well. It's a multicolored shirt. Bought it in a large because obviously. Then I got another top like this. I also got it for and again, what you call this, I got it for, it's a boob vacation vibes. Guys, I'm struggling to put this top on. I don't know how to put it on, and I like it so much, but currently this is how it's looking. Everything is falling apart, but yeah, cool. Like this cut was not big. The cut I have now is big, because after I cleared this cut, I started living on Shein again, and then I am now planning a whole new wardrobe based on Shein stuff. Like Shein has everything. I think we've talked about this. Then I bought a bikini which I was supposed to wear for my pool party. Obviously my pool party didn't happen, you guys, because the weather betrayed me. Then I bought these pants, which I was very excited about. I wore them on my birthday for for 15 minutes. Then I was like, nah man, I'm not feeling you. But I'll show you the reason why. Okay, because I'm going to just be showing you the outfits on the side. The reason why I didn't like these pants a lot is because of how they looked on me. But then again, I was feeling very insecure in some type of way. But I really didn't like the fit. I think they were not sitting properly, but it's because I bought extra large instead of a large, and I'm a large. I don't know why I bought extra large. Yeah. So the fit is not nice. Like I hate it. And then these pants, my favorite things from this haul are these pants. They look wonderful. I haven't tried them on, obviously. Ooh, I wanted to also get them in yellow, so my current cart on Shein has them in yellow. Guys, please watch my ads so that I can have 15,000 to do my new wardrobe. Like I just need 15,000, and if you can watch my ads and subscribe and share, I'll get to 15,000 rands. Come on guys, please now. I bought boob tape. I've shown you boob tape before. I bought these sponges, guys. They're so cute. So this whole cart was cleared by my best friend. I got these sponges. I've used only one, and it works. Yeah, it works pretty well. I blended with it, and I bought, yo guys, Shein concealers are the bomb. So in my cart as well, I did like, in the cart that I currently have, there's groups of things. Like there's a gym haul, there's beauty haul, because I've been using their concealers, and my sister bought like their makeup. It is amazing. Like the concealer, guys, yo, the concealer is everything. I've been using that concealer from, I think I started using that concealer in April and I've never looked back. It's the best. But I was using one that has an orange undertone to cover up my dark side circle, so I was putting it under, and now I bought a concealer that's like my tone, like lighter than my tone for highlighting. And yo, I'm like, I should have bought 10. That's the thing about Shein, you can buy 10. Then I'm sure you guys have seen this if you follow me on Instagram. I bought a I have always had the smartwatch, but they sell straps for the smartwatch. It's so pretty. It's so pretty, and it was only like 22 rand. Thank you so much for tuning in, slayers. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And thank you for everyone who gifted me, showed up for my birthday, all the birthday wishes. It was amazing. It was just me who felt down, but everything was amazing.